Hi guys, Curly Susie here from Cape Breton, Nova Scotia. In today's video, I'm going to talk all about the gels that I've tried since I started the Curly Girl method. I'm going to tell you what my favorite one is. I'm going to give that one away, and I'm going to start off right now by telling you how I apply gel to my hair to get my favorite hair look. Yeah. So I have tried different techniques, and I do make videos on all of the different curly girl related hair techniques that I use. So I do have a video on the Smasters technique. I have a video called the Laura routine. I have a video about creating a gel cast. I have videos where I diffuse my hair and videos where I let my hair air dry, and they're available on my curly hair playlist. But those of you who watch my channel on a regular basis, you know that I generally, like 6 out of 7 days of the week, just wet my hair, put gel in my hair, let it air dry, and this is the result I get, and this is the result I like. So I'm going to be a little bit specific, and then we'll get into the gels. So I get in the shower, I co-wash my hair, I put conditioner in my hair, and then I scrunch it in. I rinse that second conditioner out with cool water, and then while I'm in the shower, my hair is soaking wet, it was rinsed with cool water, I take the gel that I have in the shower with me and I apply it to my hair using the praying hands technique. So I just very gently smooth it over my hair, and then I scrunch it up into my hair to get the water and the gel to mix together. Then I plot my hair on a t-shirt just for a few minutes so that it's not dripping all over me, and that's it. Then I let my hair air dry. And that is my go-to hair routine. It's the easiest routine for me. Some people don't like it because they don't like leaving their house leaving their house with wet hair. And so for those people, you could follow the exact same routine, except that you can diffuse your hair, and I do that on occasion. But anyway, you can watch my curly hair routine in a different video. Today's video is all about gel. So I am going to now talk about all the different gels I've tried. Let's talk about the gel, and at the end I'm going to tell you what my favorite gel was, and I'm going to give away some of that gel, and I'll tell you how you can enter that giveaway. So the first gel I ever tried since I started the Curly Girl method, I mean, back in the day when I was trying to wear my hair curly, I used Dippity-Doo, but that had like a bunch of crap in it and like a bunch of, there was like silicone and alcohol in it, so I wasn't going back to that. So what I did was I was super overwhelmed when picking out products. I had no idea what I was doing. I didn't really know how to read the ingredient list. So I went to Sally and I asked them to find me a gel that was alcohol and silicone free, and the lady gave me this. So this is by BioTerra. You definitely recognize this from all of my videos pretty much. And this is an alcohol and silicone and paraben-free styling gel. And it is a number 3 hold, if you can see that. So it is not a super hard hold, but it is like a medium type of hold. So anyway, what do I like about this gel? Well, I love the smell. It smells like Biolage shampoo, which is not Curly Girl approved, by the way. But I don't know if you guys remember Biolage shampoo or if you ever bought it, but it's probably like the first like salon quality shampoo I ever bought, and I absolutely love the smell. The second thing that I like about this gel is that it's not really sticky. So I applied in the shower to my soaking wet hair, and when I put it in my hair, I almost feel like there's conditioner in it, and there's not. And the reason I feel like that is because it really slides through the hair really well. The third thing that I like about this gel is that if you put a lot of it in your hair, you can get a cast, and if you put a little bit of it in your hair, you can get a more soft, bouncier look where you don't have to scrunch out the crunch. So today, I just used 1 palm full of this, and I don't really know if you can see my hair as well with this background, but my hair is so fluffy and healthy looking right now, and I really don't get that result just by air drying with any other gel. And I guess the last thing that I like about this gel is just that when I sleep on it, when I wake up in the morning, my hair, like it doesn't hold the curl. My hair never holds the curl overnight. If you guys have advice for me, please let me know, but it doesn't. But when I wake up in the morning, my hair feels so soft. And I don't get that with any other styling product. Don't ask me why it does that. But my hair feels so soft and moisturized, it doesn't feel like I slept with gel in my hair. Gel number 2, and this is the Curly Girl Classic. So I did order some of this LA Looks gel on Amazon because it's not available in stores in Canada. And so it cost me a little bit extra because of the shipping. But I ordered this in, and I use this specifically for my creating a cast video. And the reason I ordered this is because this is, it says with advanced tri-active hold. This is a hard hold gel. It says LA Looks Absolute Styling Extreme Sport Level 10 Humidity and Activity Proof Gel. So this is heavy duty. So anyway, I really liked this gel. When I used this gel, I've never used this gel for air drying my hair. I've only ever used this gel if I wanted like my hair to shrink a lot and I wanted a cast and I wanted to scrunch out the crunch. And so I really loved this gel as well. I put it in my hair in the shower on soaking wet hair. And when my hair dried, I had a great cast. And if you don't know what the cast is and how to style your hair using a cast, I do have a video all about that. I'm going to link it up here. But anyway, I loved this gel. What does it smell like? I kind of forget. This gel smells pretty good. This gel smells like gel. My other gel smells like shampoo. This gel does smell like gel. It's not a strong smell. It's not a smell that like lingers with you all day. So like I didn't mind the smell. The price point is good. So the only thing I didn't really like about this gel was that when you put it in your hands and you're putting it in your hair, it's very, very sticky. But I do find that that is necessary to get that like really hard cast in your hair. So it is a little bit stickier. And I found it held my curls more like overnight, but then the next morning when I woke up, it felt like there was product in my hair, where with the BioTerra gel, like my hair felt really soft afterwards. But I do highly recommend this gel. I like this one. I drank the Kool-Aid and I went and I bought a ton of Diva Curl products, and I did a review on the Diva Curl products and it wasn't very flattering for Diva Curl, but I kind of feel bad for a couple of reasons, because since then I've tried some of their other products and I did really like it. So it's like I love some of their products, I hated some of their products. I didn't love the price point, but the other thing I have to say about Diva Curl is that the woman that created the Diva Curl line, she created the Curly Girl method. So I can't say anything bad about Diva Curl as a company. They're a great company. They're products that have a lot of protein in them, really dry out my hair, and they're expensive. So anyway, here's the next gel I tried. This is the Diva Curl Ultra Defining Gel, and this is a strong hold, and it's a no crunch styler. So you can also get an Archangel gel, and it's very similar to this, but it's good for creating a cast. I bought this one because I thought it would be similar to my BioTerra gel. So I do like having like a little bit of crunch, but not like a hard hold. And this says it's for styling and shaping. So this gel smells like, it smells kind of like grapefruit. Like I actually like the smell of this. And it's like the same consistency as my other two gels. And what else? I don't know. I was disappointed with this gel. Again, I applied to my hair, soaking wet hair in the shower. And I let my hair air dry. And I have tried it with diffusing as well. It doesn't have a whole lot of hold, but I kind of knew that getting into it. My problem with this gel is that this gel has a lot of protein in it. So what does it have in it? Let me see. Hydrolyzed wheat protein, hydrolyzed corn protein, hydrolyzed soy protein, protein, and it's in like the top 5 ingredients. And so I'm not going to get into it too much in this video, but my hair hates protein. So what happened was, super pumped, got my Diva Curl products, used this gel, and when my hair dried, it didn't look great, but it wasn't too bad. And then the next day I tried it again, and I honestly thought that I ruined my hair because my hair was not curly and it was so hard and dry. Like when I went like this, like my hair, guys, not kidding. I wish you could reach through your phone or your computer and touch my hair right now. It's so soft. When I used this, my hair was so frizzy and hard and like dry. When I went like this with my hair, you could hear like a crunch. And it took me a few days to kind of wash that protein out. And so I can't recommend this gel. I can't say for sure that no one will like this, because if you have a hair type that needs protein, this might be a good gel for you. It just wasn't for me. The last gel I want to talk about is the all natural flaxseed gel. Now mine is a dark color, and that's because I put a little bit of, I have this lavender scented Jamaican black castor oil. After I made this, I put a couple of drops in this strictly for the scent because I love the smell of it. But basically all you do is you boil flax seeds and then you strain them and you put it in a container, and that's it. The flax seeds I bought were, I made this like 2 days ago. The flax seeds I bought were $2.99 for a giant bag. And normally I'm not somebody that likes DIYs because I just ain't nobody got time for doing DIYs. But it was really easy to make. And so I actually filmed a video all about how I made this. The only reason I'm not posting it until probably tomorrow or the next day is because I want to use this for a couple of days before I give you guys my honest opinion on it. But so far, it smells great. Even without the Jamaican black castor oil, it had like a nice, like warm, I don't know, like a bread, like a baked bread kind of smell. I can't even describe it. Or like a nutty smell. Yeah, I guess more of like a nutty smell. But I put my lavender Jamaican black castor oil in it, and now it smells amazing. It has a very sticky texture, but it slid through my hair really well. I used this yesterday. It slid through my hair really well, and when my hair dried, I had a great cast. And so what I want to do before what I want to do before I finish editing the video is tomorrow I am going to use less. And I'm going to use it in the same way that I use like my BioTerra gel, just to see if I get like a nice soft curl look. After I did my gel video about how to create a cast, somebody wrote under my video, gel makes your hair look like cheap plastic. And so I'm here to say, excuse me, but my hair does not look like cheap plastic. My hair looks shiny, it looks bouncy, it looks natural. I love it. So do you know what I wrote under their comment? I wrote, go on, bye. And you guys might have seen that and you're like, what does go on by mean? Go on by means basically, whatever, man. I'm not going to argue with somebody that says something ridiculous like that. From now on, if you write something mean under my video, unless it's a critique, critiques are different. So if you write something like, I don't like that product because X, Y, and Z, or if you write, Susie, I find your hair looks really frizzy in this video, that is fine. I can take criticism. I am like super confident, and I like you guys to learn from my channel. So if people have critiques on the products that I'm using, that is great. But if you're just gonna go and say, gel makes your hair look like cheap plastic, I'm not giving that comment the time of day. But I'm also not gonna ignore it because that's not the type of person I am. So I'm just gonna write, go on by, basically, don't care, or like, whatever, man. But anyway, here comes the giveaway and my favorite gel. So this is my favorite gel. In order to win this gel, I just want you to go over to my Instagram and you're gonna comment on the picture of the gel. Just give me your name and say hi or something like that. And then I'm gonna say, what's today? Today is the 13th of July. By the 20th of July, I'll pick a winner and I'll announce it either in a video or on my Instagram. And I will have to inbox you to get your mailing address. So around the 20th of July, can you please check your inboxes if you entered the draw, because I'm gonna send you this product. And this is an international giveaway, by the way. So I don't care if it costs me like $100 to mail it to the UK, you're getting the gel. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope you liked it. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and you can give it a big thumbs down if you didn't like it. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you very soon, like in a couple of days, in my next video where I show you exactly how to make flaxseed gel, and I tell you what I think about it and show you my results. All right, have a great day, guys. Bye.